Okay, so I've got to change my password. The first thing I have to do when I log on, I'll type in the new password. And save it. If Outlook or Communicator is open, close each one and reopen them after changing your password. Well, they weren't open. Okay, so now I need to close down Internet Explorer because it's going to configure Internet Explorer's settings so that I can work. And then I will continue. And now I can configure I'll configure these applications. So configure applications, Office Live Meeting, Office Outlook. Let's configure those applications. So it starts Outlook and it's going to create an Outlook profile for the specific user. For Planky at plankytronics.emir.microsoftonline.com, a profile is being created. Okay, let's add the conferencing add-in, if I can do that. So the conferencing add-in has been added, and I now have Exchange email. So that's my first email that's been sent to me. We know that's going to be sent because I created this email. There's the text, hi Plankytronics user. I could obviously put something a bit richer in there, but let's go to the SharePoint site now. So I click Plankytronics EMEA Online, and if I go to the shared documents, we can see there I could upload a document. Let's browse for something. Let's get that document, open it. Okay, so that's completed. That's good. Now I just want to show what happens when I close Outlook down. Let me close Outlook down. Let me minimize this. Now let's fire Outlook up again. You can see here I have several profiles. The one I'm interested in is Planky at Plankytronics with 1x. Click OK. Again, I'm logged in, so it's very, very quick. So in just a few moments, I've enabled a user for the complete range of Office applications. Now let's go back here. Let's have a look at web conferencing. Now I won't actually use this web conferencing because I don't have anybody that I can do it with. So I can schedule a meeting, I could meet now, or I could join an existing meeting. Let's log out from this. Okay, close that down. I believe I can I can create a live meeting. You can see Office Communications Server. Okay, so I'll send this email to, well, I can go into the address book and choose somebody. There's somebody called admin, isn't there? No, in fact, I'll send it to myself because then we'll be able to see that email, won't we? This is a live meeting. Let's send that. Yeah, I'll send that anyway, even though it's got no subject. Okay, let me dismiss that. Let's go to email. To my inbox. I should be able to go to that live meeting, and I should be able to join the meeting. Okay, so I now have a meeting. I'm the only attendee in the meeting, but if I had sent that to other users that the administrator, which is me in this case, had created on the server, then we could all be having a live meeting. We could be sharing content. We could be sharing. I could be sharing my desktop. I could be sharing presentations, emails, and so on. Okay, let's leave the meeting. Exit. Let's close this down. And let's exit Outlook. So you can see that we've used email, we've used web conferencing with Office Live Meeting, and we've used SharePoint. It's taken us a very short time to do all of this. I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to know how to do a few certain things, let's have a look at how we can do that. Let me go to the web browser. Let me go to the Administration Center. I've already created a link for that one. Admin at plankytronics.emea.microsoftonline.com. Let's sign in. So there are a couple of things that you might want to do. You might get a little bit fed up with that URL. It's Planky at plankytronics.emea.microsoftonline.com. It's a bit of a long URL, and your company might just be called plankytronics.com or whatever it's called. So you can add your domain to the Microsoft Online Services. Now, if you want to do this, there are some things that you need to do with the external relay service for your own email, for the SMTP addresses, for the domain name. Now, I would suggest that you look at a video on YouTube for that. And also, another thing you might want to do is to convert this 30-day trial site into a full-blown paying site. So let's have a look how you do that. Let's go to a new tab. Let's go to YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to type BPOS and domain. So this video, set up, I won't click it because it'll start to play, but set up and verify a domain is one that's put together by the TechEd team, the Vent team, and that shows you how to do that. And there's another one on BPOS trial, I think would get us that. Converting a BPOS trial account to a paid subscription. Again, I won't play this video, but if you just type in BPOS trial, it'll be the top entry there. Okay, so hopefully that's shown you how you could sign up to the 30-day trial, convert the domain to your own domain name, have Exchange, Outlook, Live Meeting, Exchange, Outlook, Live Meeting, and SharePoint, all available. And I think this has taken me probably less than 15 minutes to do this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for your time.